Pre-booking your Istanbul airport transfer comes with a range of benefits that can make your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. One of the main advantages of pre-booking is avoiding the stress of having to find transportation upon arrival at the airport. By booking in advance, you can rest assured that a professional driver will be waiting for you, ready to take you to your destination. Additionally, pre-booking allows you to choose the type of vehicle that best suits your needs, whether you prefer a luxury car or a spacious van for larger groups. Overall, pre-booking your Istanbul airport transfer can save you time, money, and hassle, making it a worthwhile investment for any traveler. Hustling markets, or indulging in delicious Turkish cuisine, having a reliable airport transfer service at your disposal can make your trip truly unforgettable. In conclusion, when planning your trip to Istanbul, don't underestimate the importance of convenient airport transfers. It can make a world of difference in your overall travel experience.